What is the kingdom age? And does it have something to do with Revelation? The kingdom age is not a fantasy or a far-off dream. It is the time of restoration and remembrance that must come before Christ returns. In Acts chapter 3, verses 18 through 20, Peter speaks of the times of refreshing, when all things are restored. The Greek word here is Apokatastasis. It means a return to the pre-fall order of creation. Christ will not come again until his bride is ready, clothed in light, and the earth aligned with his holiness. Where do we see this in Revelation? Look at the vision in chapter 12. The woman clothed with the sun, weaved into a transfigured state, crowned with 12 stars, bearing witness to the blessings of the 12 tribes, and with the moon under her feet, standing above the shadows and mere reflections of truth. On September 23, 2017, that exact sign appeared in the heavens. And let's be clear, this was not another birth of Christ. His incarnation through the Virgin Mary was once and for all. Instead, this sign spoke of the bride emerging, the new Eve, rising from the side of his pierced heart, prepared to stand as his counterpart in the kingdom age. As Isaiah 53 and 54 declare, the Maker is her husband. The once forsaken woman is called beloved again. Virgins and eunuchs are promised fruitfulness, not by natural seed, but by the seed of light planted by the Holy Spirit. This is the bride, birthing Christ's life into the world, a corporate body radiant with his glory. This is the hidden mystery, that nuptial love itself is the weapon of God. Just as the waters above the firmament drowned those who fell from their first estate, so now the womb of light becomes the entrance back to pre-fall wholeness. Love dissolves the dominions of darkness, for no weapon formed against the bride can prosper when she stands in covenant with her bridegroom. This is why we distinguish the kingdom age from the millennial reign. The kingdom age is now a hidden stream of grace, a window of time where the bride awakens, embassies of light arise, and worship realigns with heaven. The millennial reign is to come, the visible global rule of Christ for 1,000 years, when every nation bows before him in fulfillment of Psalm 110. The 7 scrolls I have written are not the seals of judgment in Revelation, but prophetic testimonies for this moment, blueprints of remembrance meant to awaken the bride, reestablish psalmic worship, and anchor light in the earth until he comes. So yes, the kingdom age has everything to do with Revelation, not as another birth of Christ, but as the birthing of his bride, prepared, luminous, and ready for union with the King. The question is, will you walk as a citizen of light, preparing the way for his return?